passion 呢？失败了。
Thank you for giving us the chance to travel your company. So I think we have a really good ride. So can you give us a short introduction of Karma?
Sure. So we have been a worldwide wheelchair manufacturer since 1987, and our main product included manual wheelchair and the power wheelchair, as well as power scooters. And we've been established our company throughout several countries. Right now we have our office in 7 different countries, and we sell to our wheelchair worldwide.
Wow, that's really impressive.
Thank you very much.
We have cooperated for many years. So can you give us a short conclusion about using igus products on your manual wheelchair and your scooters?
Sure. So bearing is always a component that require a lot of after service. However, with a self-lubricant bearing that you guys provide, the quality has been very stable, and it significantly reduced the maintenance requirement. And maintenance requirement is actually very important for people who has to use the wheelchair because they cannot afford downtime. For example, car, bicycle, when we get our vehicles into maintenance, we can still use alternative.
Yes.
But for the wheelchair people, they have to depend on the chair. So with your products, the maintenance rate will comes down, and it's actually a win-win solution for everybody.
Yeah. I think that's the secret of how Karma can be so successful in the industries.
Thank you.
Yeah, really big thanks to cooperate with you. So can you give us a short conclusion about how's igus bike RCYL? What's the conclusion of the test ride?
Yeah, it's actually smoother than I thought because when you look at it first, it seems quite big. And I'm not very tall, so I was a little bit hesitate driving on it. But after several rounds, it's actually lighter than I thought, and the brake, it works well. And I actually enjoyed the ride on our testing ramp.
Yeah, that's really thankful for that. Because I know that the wheelchair will also do some strength test with different ramp. Yes. So I saw our igus bike riding on that, and I think really thankful and really it's really meaningful.
No problem. Yeah, it's actually a very good facility to test your bike because in order to test our wheelchair, we need to have a testing facility here to make sure the wheelchair like this one can go ups and down on the ramp. And the joint, the bearing that we use in our chassis is also from your company. Mm-hmm. So this kind of mid-wheel drive power wheelchair, it's extremely important that the chair will stay stable on the ramp. So with your product inside, we basically doesn't have any problem with it so far.
Okay, so big thanks for everything.
No
big
problem.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.